Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about removing the new adware type application which is called Connected Protocol. Connected Protocol is a special adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. This connected protocol adware, if it gets installed, starts to display the huge portion of intrusive advertisements that are not associated with the sites that you visit. This connected protocol adware is from the adload family. It specifically injects its roots into the Safari browser, even though other browsers may also be contaminated by this adware. Connected protocol adware may also periodically cause unwanted browser redirections to random and deceptive pages in the internet. So because of this application on your Mac, your computer may be functioning in a very slow manner. If you found this adware on your Mac, check your applications. If you find it here, get rid of it by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash. Finally, to be sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start thoroughly investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device effectively. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your entire Mac. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.